Hello, you are welcome to Fix and In. My name is Daniel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to turn off Gemini on Android. So if you want to turn off your Google Gemini on Android, then this video is actually for you. So the first step you can actually take in order to do that is to go to this Google section on your device. So right here, you can see the Google option. So you need to go ahead and click on the Google app like this. When you click on that, right here is your Google. So at the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. You need to click on that, then scroll and click on settings. You can see the settings option here. So when you do that, looking here, you can see where it says Gemini. So you just need to go ahead and click on it and scroll gently. So right here, you can see where it says digital assistant from Google. So you need to go ahead and click on that. So if you don't want Gemini to be popping up on your device, you just need to go ahead and click on Google Assistant. You need to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant by clicking on switch like this. So when you click on your power button and hold it firmly like this, instead of seeing Gemini, now you are going to start seeing Google Assistant. So if this does not actually stop yours, you can actually go to your phone device settings like this. So when you go to your phone device settings, you just need to scroll and click on apps. So right here where you can see different apps that are on your device, you need to click on the search button and search for Gemini. Then go ahead and click on the app. So right here at the bottom, you can see where it says force stop. So you can go ahead and click on that and click on OK in order to force stop the app, or you can simply click on disable at the bottom of the screen and click on disable app and disable the app. So once this is done, you've been able to turn off Gemini on your Android. Hope you found this video helpful. And for more tutorials and more helpful guys like this, do it to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this video to your friends that might need it. See you in the next one. Check the channel for more videos.